every Black woman should invest in a very good, like, quality wig. You know, for those days when you don't have time to style your hair, or you are broke and, you know, cannot get your hair done, or you just don't want to sit, you know, in a salon for like 6 to 8 hours getting your hair done. This is where having a quality wig comes in. Hey Thrifty friends, I'm Blessing, and this is Be Thrifty and Fabulous, your cozy corner for looking great, living well, and thriving in America on a very small budget. So grab your seat, hit that subscribe button so we can save, style, and shine together. I'm not really good with wigs, you know. I'm more of a natural babe, you know. I keep my hair short. I just like to, you know, get up and go without stressing myself, you know, getting my hair done. But I think having a great wig, one quality, you know, wig is really worth the investment. So I bought this off of TikTok. I'm hoping that it lives up to the expectation and the hypes, you know, on TikTok. It is one of those pre-plucked curly baby hair. What I'm trying to say is it is one of those wigs that you can just take it out of the box, put it on, and just go about your way. So let's unbox this together and see what it looks like. Do I need a scissors? So this hair came from China. I was under the impression that it is a US company. And then when I saw the shipping, or when I was trying to track the package, I saw that it was coming from China. I was like, oh, okay. But the good thing is that it got here on time. It got here in less than a week, so that's good. So here's the beautiful packaging. Oh, nice. Well, I don't need this, so that's going in the trash. I can't figure out an occasion where I would need this. So here's the box. It is Ashy Mary. Yep. Ashy Mary, Beauty No Limits. That's okay. We're not keeping the box. So it's okay to rip it up. It's nicely packaged. I like it. Oh wow. So I spent $145. I'll put the price on the screen when I check my receipt. But it was definitely 140 something. Oh, it came with some gifts. Oh my goodness, some eyelashes. Now, I've never worn eyelashes in my entire life, but I think I need to. Oh wow. So it came with this headband. I'm gonna have to figure out how to use this. What is it for? Hold on. So I'm following the picture on here. So I'm supposed to wrap it around my head. Let's take that off. Now I don't know what this is for. So this part covers my ear. Is it for going to sleep? Well, ooh. Big looking eyelashes. Even if I decide to wear eyelashes, I'm not gonna wear this. They're way too big. These are really nice gifts. Wow. Oh, okay. So there's this strap, and this is supposed to be 360 degrees wig. So I should be able to put it up on a ponytail.
And I know that you love it. It's Be Thrifty and Fabulous. Be thrifty and fabulous. I'm the real baddie on a budget.
And by the way, this is 18 inches. This does not look like 18 inches. Looks like 14. How is this 18 inches? I'm not sure if I'm impressed yet. Oh, it is 100% human hair. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go get a brush and brush it out. And then put some makeup to hide the lace. I'll be back, guys.
Be thrifty and fabulous. I'm the real baddie on a budget, and I know that you love it. It's be thrifty and fabulous. Be thrifty and fabulous. I'm the real baddie on a budget, and I know that you love it. It's be thrifty and fabulous. Be thrifty and fabulous. I'm the real baddie on a budget, and I know that you love it. Oh, it's be thrifty and fabulous. Be thrifty and fabulous. Be thrifty and fabulous. It's be thrifty and fabulous. I'm the real baddie on a budget, and I know that you love it. Ooh, it's be thrifty and fabulous. Be thrifty and fabulous. Be thrifty and fabulous. Ooh, it's be thrifty and fabulous. Be thrifty and fabulous. Be thrifty and fabulous. Fabulous. Be thrifty and fabulous. I'm the real baddie on a budget, and I know that you love it. It's be thrifty and fabulous. Be thrifty and fabulous. I'm the real baddie on a budget, and I know that you love it.
That's
It's be
better.
thrifty and fabulous.
So now that I've bleached the invisible lace,
Be thrifty and
that looks better. I'm still shocked that this is 18 inches. It does not look like 18 inches. I like the softness of the hair. I think I'm gonna wet it some more, finger comb it, and then let it dry. So if I keep the hair down, you don't really see this part. But if I pull it up, obviously that's a problem. So I'm gonna keep it down, and I'm probably gonna have to glue it down. But other than that, it's a nice quality hair. Feels natural, feels like human hair. Soft to touch, easy to comb. And the wave is still there even after brushing it. And I have on no makeup. So I'm pretty sure once I put on makeup and look more presentable, the wig will be wigging. So what do you guys think? Is it wigging? This is 18 inches, by the way. I feel this is too short to be 18 inches. But yeah. So that's the look. What do you guys think? Do you like it? If you do, leave me a comment below. So yeah.